Hey riders, we are leaving for Chennai.
Let's go. So cute.
So I booked my flights from Bombay to Chennai because Pune to Chennai is too expensive and it saved me at least $1,500.
So ये था reason.
Yes. So save money because racing. Racing is expensive, fam. भाई दोनों के इधर से मुझे टॉन्ट पड़ रही. Hey riders, so we are flying from Mumbai to Bangalore to Chennai because we had a layover flight and we have our PN practice tomorrow, because of which I had to come way earlier than my race weekend so that I could get some more track times at my markers and yeah, get faster basically. And it was much easier to get a flight from Chennai because it's cheaper that way than Pune. So trying to save my bucks wherever I can. But let's get to Chennai and have a great practice session tomorrow. Let's go.
ये बढ़िया है. तुम गाड़ी चलाओ, हम गियर डालेंगे.
Hey riders, so we're out and about at the Madras International Circuit for a track walk to figure out our racing lines and set some markers for our vision to get faster. So I'm doing a PM practice today. That's on Wednesday. Yeah, I think today is Wednesday. And this is just so that I can understand my lines better and where to brake exactly and where to enter from. But the only problem is that I'm using an R15 today, and for my official races I'm using the TVS RTR. But the difference is the gear ratio and the aerodynamics of the bike, which I think I can get my hands on. So let's see how today's PN practice goes. But yeah, we are here for our track walk. I'll keep you guys posted. So we just finished our PN practice for the day. We did 4 sessions of 20 minutes and it was an amazing time because I feel like I could push more limits. And Prakash Anna taught me a lot with track walk, so I implied that. Still have a lot to improve with vision mainly and braking, but overall it was a huge improvement because I scraped my knee much more than what I usually do. But it was also R15, so could be because of the aerodynamics of the bike compared to the TVS. But yes, we're gonna leave MMRT for today and come back tomorrow. Hey riders, so while Sarah set us up herself, we completed thanks. Bogan nahi hai wo reservation. So we completed practice and qualification. And जी हाँ, hi बोल सकते हो.
नमस्कार, मेरा भी चैनल है.
नहीं, vlog. And our fastest rider for rookie category is stuck outside. What's the point of being so fast when you can't even get to the car fast? So we improved at least from round 1. Cut about.
अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज?
Sorry for the interruption. Cut about 5 seconds. Moved from 229 to 225 and we're trying to push that. We have a race day tomorrow and Sarah was the fastest, setting the time at what?
2:14, which is not very fast, but
Because Sarah knows she's capable of doing way more.
I have to beat Bogar's timing.
Yes, that is 2:10.
Yes.
Bogu's timing.
time.
Bogu's timing of 2:10 and Sarah is going to do that for round 2 race.
That's right.
That's the goal, that's the aim, and we are going to try to get it down 5 seconds more so that we're in 220s and we can get faster eventually.
Yes.
Saying bye to the track.
Signing out.
Signing out.
Signing out.
See. अच्छा तुम बताओ तुम्हारा रेस कैसा है गया? Okay.
कल बोलेगा मैं.
So let's get to our race day tomorrow and see how it goes. and I will vlog better for tomorrow because I forgot today.
I think Kedarnath has just enough of it.
भाई का रेस कोई मिस कर सकता है क्या?
टाइम आना था दिन ये भैया अपने
इनर्स बोल गए तो हम तुम्हारा रेस देख रहे थे.
जल्दी से दौड़ के जा और अपना जूता लेके.
How was your race?
Great race, clean race.
What?
Clean shave.
What position did you finish?
Pole.
Yeah, what timing?
2:11 I guess.
Yeah, let's go champ. Yeah.
इसमें मेरे को क्या लगा ना, जंप स्टार्ट किया मैंने.
फिर
मैं पोडियम पे आके पूछ रहा हूँ मतलब मैंने जंप स्टार्ट किया है कि नहीं. वो बोल रहे जंप स्टार्ट किया तो तू ही लीड में रहेगा.
हाँ ना एक्चुअली
क्योंकि गैप था ना.
इतना ज्यादा था क्या?
कितना गैप था ऑलमोस्ट?
बहुत गैप था ब्रो.
नहीं देखा.
मतलब अगर तूने C12 एग्जिट किया और तू बीच में पहुंचा फिर जाके केदार आया तब C12 से, इतना गैप था. वेलकम टू मोटर स्पोर्ट्स इन इंडिया गाइस. जहाँ पे एक प्लेट पे खाना शेयर करना पड़ता है क्योंकि होटल भी हमने जुगाड़ में लिया है. Take 35. Take 57. So hey riders, we are at the TVS pit on a Sunday afternoon because we could not vlog yesterday. I could not find my mask which I just found in the pocket of my pant.
After digging her entire bag.
Yes, opening it up, everything, and it ended up in my pocket. So yesterday's race, the first race was the women's category 1. And Sarah, how was your race? No words.
I had bike issues. My gear was not shifting. I had a free play in the clutch. So I was taking all the wrong gears in the corners. And yeah, I finished third.
But still finished third. So
Aim
that's
was to
good.
finish first, but we come back stronger next time.
But imagine अगर आपको इतनी बुरी बाइक मिली और अपने तो भी थर्ड आया तो अच्छी बाइक मिलेगी तो नेक्स्ट राउंड.
Next time.
Yes, let's go. That's the spirit. We've moved from P9 to P7.
Big improvement.
Yes, huge improvement, but still not happy with myself because it's the same timing I did for my practice, official practice. So came back to it, so not the happiest, but yes, definitely got a lot faster than what I was. And the aim is to keep getting faster. But sorry for not vlogging yesterday because the mindset is very different when you're in race. And vlogging is not possible because just hota nahi hai. We're going to cheer Sarah at the podium for her prize distribution and have a great day at the track today and come back for round 3 much faster.
Up next, we're going to be calling the winners for the TV.
And boys, we're out and about from MMRT. Choose any last words.
What last word? Seeing everyone riding in this hot sun, we are all
Hot sun,
dead.
it's raining macha.
Macha, you did not see from morning.
And one cartoon here doesn't
One
work.
cartoon there.
Other cartoon here is still
And one more
working.
model here.
Modeling is here, but also racer.
Today's
For
vlog.
the day. So we're going to
have
be
one-
On the way to getting one of these.
Yeah,
Yes.
and
Very
this one
soon.
useless girl standing here only making reel.
use
Doesn't get that. She races with the last bunch of.
Come to the fight very soon. Very soon. We'll be taking
Inshallah, boys played well.
Hello, listen, that fellow is doing one vlog. That is taking one vlog.
Cinematic shots for me, I'll get.
Bro, your camera is very nice.
Thanks. So we'll be back for round 3 with Shidu chasing us for interviews.
And
Every
she
time.
working with, I don't know.
We'll be back faster and better with a lot of
See,
improvement.
we have one more and walking from there.
All this momentum media boys are just lazy people who just want to walk around the track and do nothing.
Hopefully, I don't get a call for videos and photos.
Oh, should I take that back? I'm sorry. Sorry, Cheta.
See there, Cheta.
Any words from momentum media? Exiting the track.
I'm inside.
मस्ती नहीं रुकनी चाहिए.
मस्ती नहीं, गांड मस्ती करनी चाहिए.
Wow, 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 wow,
मस्ती
wow,
करनी
wow,
चाहिए.
wow, wow, wow. Your team is doing that only, bacha.
When Adipodi vroom vroom down, Harran bike comes.
No need. Nusta time pass. And Prakash Anna, how was your race?
Prakash Anna,
बकवास क्यों बकवास? क्या
Clutch
किया
जला
तुमने?
दिए।
हाँ,
Clutch
क्लच
बंद
ही
कर
जला दिए। वाह 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 वाह। और तुम्हारा रेस 1 कैसा था?
रेस 1 बढ़िया था, सेकंड पोजीशन।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है, कांग्रेट्स। और रेस 2 में क्लच जला दिया आपने।
स्वैग है अपना।
स्वैग है अपना। अच्छा। Attempting to fit Boger in the kit bag. हे भगवान, भाई ये तो फिट भी हो गया।
अभी हम टैग करने जा रहे हैं हर्षित बोगर को बेंगलुरु के लिए।
किट बैग में हमारा चैंपियन, डबल चैंपियन। अरे बाप रे। So completely forgot to shoot the outro, but here I am in Mumbai for some super exciting things, and just wanted to show you a glimpse of how the race weekend looks like for us riders. Again, this is something that was very cut to cut because it's a different zone and mental pace when you're at the track and you have your races and practice. So I couldn't shoot a lot, but yes, whatever I could, it's right here for you guys. I will maybe try to come up with some informative videos for you guys regarding racing and entering motorsports in India so that it's a help for you guys too. But thank you so much for all the love and support, and keep watching. Do subscribe, like and share this motor vlog, and I will have much more exciting things for you. Keep coming. Thank you.